want to throw a reminder in at the beginning of this video. I'm joining in with Annette tomorrow and a few other awesome creators for a challenge to do with chest. And I'm going to use these two teapots, the black and white, for this challenge. Come on guys, let's come on over and check out what everyone does for this challenge, and please watch the videos and support all my awesome friends out there. And you know Annette is a great channel, Annette's Place, so come on. I know you're going to see some beautiful displays, and you're going to see what Grandma comes up with, considering Grandma does not even play chess and has no idea. I borrowed a chess set from my daughter and her husband to use in that post, so wait until you see what Grandma does. Even I don't know what I've done because I haven't made it yet, but it will be wonderful tomorrow, and I will be using these two black and white pots in there. One will be a pot for my tea and one will be a centerpiece. That is the best part of all. There's always something to do and share with all of you. Well, let's see what else Grandma has to say about her shopping haul. Good morning to everyone. This is my Mackenzie Childs shopping haul for June. As you can see, I have some really nice pieces, and some of them we bought brand new and some we bought used. This is the teapot I got a little while back, and the finial was crooked and my son-in-law fixed it. He unscrewed it and put it back on correctly, and now it is perfect where it needs to be. The great thing about Mackenzie Childs, the quality is there, and it's so nice to see the great quality of all their items. And also, there's little bits of color, like here we have some yellow, gray, blues, and you can mix them with other pieces that they own. Like these pieces here, as you can see, have yellow and pink, and of course the beautiful flowers. And because there's yellow in the teapot, it goes really nice with each other. And that includes the beautiful plates that match the colander. Now the colander, we can use it as a colander, or I can use it for a centerpiece and put a beautiful floral arrangement in it, and it'll go beautifully with these plates. What do you think? I think I'm getting all excited thinking of all the things I can do with it. Now, this is a Mackenzie Childs piece, as you can see, and we also have the plates are also Mackenzie Childs, and I have a pair, and because Grandma does tablescapes for two, it's fine. I'm very happy with what we picked up and have. Let me know what you think. I love all the pinks. As you can see how this looks. Doesn't it look beautiful? And the pinks are picked up into the flowers, and everything works together. And these almost look like little lemons sprinkled all over too. I thought of putting it with a lemon tablescape, and I may still do that, but it does scream out spring. What do you think? Like I said, there's lots of beautiful pieces that Mackenzie Childs has, and just start searching for them. You can find some used pieces like we do, along with some new ones. They also have the stuff that goes on sale. Watch the sales. You might be surprised you can find something you really love and be more reasonable. Get with a few friends and double up and get free shipping. If you have a certain amount of money, you get free shipping. So me and my daughter place orders together, and that way we can get free shipping, and it goes to one location. But because she's my daughter, I don't worry. And here is the little smaller teapot for one. This is perfect for Grandma. And as you can see, it has like the little bit of yellow, blue, and gray in here too. And isn't this beautiful? Now this one, it has a little screw on top. You can take it off and clean it if you want. And this was a brand new one that my daughter got for me. Isn't it beautiful? I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this one. The perfect size for Grandma. Well, let me know what you think about my Mackenzie Childs haul for June. I thought it looked pretty nice. let me know. I hope you guys are enjoying this also. I'm going to be trying to do this every month for the rest of the year. I don't know what I'm going to do next year, if I'm going to continue. If I'm going to keep continuing doing these shopping hauls for Mackenzie Childs. Their merchandise is pretty pricey. We will see. But I just wanted to share with you the different styles and patterns that they do have. There's always something for everyone. I, of course, love the black and white, and my daughter is collecting the blue and white. So I'll be probably sharing maybe 4 or 5 of her pieces next month to give me a chance to pick up a few more pieces, because I like to at least have 4 or 5 pieces to share every time we have a post like this. I don't want to just show one piece, but it's so expensive I can't buy too much at one time. But we've managed to do something every month here lately. Let me know what you think about these shopping hauls. Tell me if you're enjoying them or not. What I could do that maybe make them a little nicer. I'm going to be using these pieces this month of June in some posts, so I know you're going to enjoy them too. Let me know what you think. Well, I guess I'm done talking. You know how Grandma can talk. But I just wanted to let you know what I picked up this month, how beautiful the pieces are, and some of these are new and some of these are used. I think the only thing brand new that was on this was probably the small teapot for one. Everything else we bought used, and that's how Grandma can afford to buy so many pieces in a short amount of time. Buy a few used pieces and a few new ones. I do have some pieces that I picked up on sale that are new. I'll probably be showing them maybe in August. I do have quite a few pieces to share for August. So we will have already pieces ready to go. My daughter, I'll probably borrow 4 or 5 for July, for I can have another month or 2 to pick up a few more pieces. Well, what do you think, guys? Grandma's trying her best. I can't wait to see what I can come up with to use these pieces with. Don't forget, we have a challenge tomorrow.